Hi guys, this is the Big Hugs collection by Hallmark 6x6 printed paper pads. Again, it has a 10 designs, 5 each per design, and all in all, it has a 50 sheets per pack. And it's only 125 pesos. And noticed one of their paper packs. This one cost 115 pesos, and this one is 125 pesos only. So, very affordable for all those who make cards, scrapbooking, paper crafter, etc. So, I recommend these paper pads. Very affordable and they have unique designs. So, anyway, this is a Big Hugs collection by Hallmark, and it has this first design. It's more like bears again, light purple, and then the second design, this one, it says Forever Friends, and then there again, and then the third one is this one. I love this one. It has yellow, blue, and background white design pet flowers on it, and then pop messages again. Movie marathon, bonding, spa treatments, daytime shopping, etc. You can use this in maybe scrapbooking. And this one, very cute design. I might skip something. This is Forever Friends again. And then next one is this one. Purple and blue. Purple and blue. And then this one. I love this design. I can cut out this, and then it's like you can use it to any border, card border. I love the design and the color. And then the next one. Ang ganda, diba? This paper pack is amazing. Big Hugs. They have all. And then this one. The next one is this one. And then the last design is this. You can cut out this, and then put some notes here. Or I think this design can inspire us to make a card and make like this design. You can use this pen, white gel pen, black gel pen, and then cardstock, and then it's up to you what design you will make with those cards. But I think I have an idea with this one. So that's it. Big Hug 6x6 printed paper pads. Actually, I haven't yet buy all their 6x6 paper pads because I don't know how many designs and theme collections they made. So for now, I have 8 designs, and I will show you more when I buy more collections from Hallmark. Thanks guys, bye!